Welcome to the next lecture of Module 2b, Coefficient of Coupling. We have already studied about self-inductance, mutual inductance. And in this lecture we are going to study about coefficient of coupling. So can you recall what is self-inductance? Suppose you consider two coil A and coil B. We are passing current through coil 1. So there is a flux linkage in coil 1. As a result of flux linkage, an EMF is induced. So EMF induced in coil A due to current in coil A is known as self-induced EMF. And this flux phi1 will be linking with this coil B. That is, if phi1 is the flux linkage in coil A part of flux phi1, that is K into phi1, will be linking with the coil B. Due to that flux, there will be an EMF induced in coil B that is known as mutually induced EMF. And we are representing M as mutually induced EMF and L1 as self-induced EMF in one coil, L2 as self-induced EMF in second coil. Okay. So what is coefficient of coupling? A fraction of magnetic flux produced by current in one coil that links with the other coil is known as coefficient of coupling. So if you are passing current in first coil, a flux phi1 will be linking with the first coil. A fraction of flux, that is K into phi1, will be linking with the second coil. That is responsible for the mutual induction, K into phi1. That fraction of flux, that fraction is known as, that is a fraction K, is known as coefficient of coupling. So for this, consider there are two coils are taken, coil A and coil B. So this is coil A and coil B. When current flow through one coil, A, it produces a flux phi1 and a fraction K of flux, that is this K phi1, linked with the other coil coupled, and this fraction is known as coefficient of coupling. So the K is known as coefficient of coupling, that is amount of flux linked with the second coil. That fraction is known as coefficient of coupling. Next we can see the derivation. Consider two coil A and B. When current I1 flow through coil A, what is the self-inductance of coil? L1 equal to, we have already studied in the lecture about the derivation of L1, number of turns in coil A, that is N1, flux linkage in coil A phi1 by current due to coil A, current in coil A, that is I1. So L1 equal to N1 phi1 by I1. And due to this current I1, a mutually induced EMF is generated in secondary coil. That is known as M21. M21 and M12 both are same, that is why it is written as M. M is equal to flux linkage in second coil due to current in flux coil, that is phi21 into N2 by I1. N2 is number of turns in the second coil, and which current is responsible? I1 current is responsible. Refer these derivations of L1 and M. We have already discussed about this derivation. So L1 self-inductance is N1 phi1 by I1. M mutually induced EMF due to current I1 is N2 phi21 by I1. And what is phi21? K times phi1. A portion of flux phi1 is linked with N2. So phi21 is K times phi1. Similarly, consider coil B and current I2 flow. Next you consider I1. I2 will be flowing in coil B. So what is the self-induced EMF in I2? N2 phi2 by I2. What is mutually induced EMF? M12. M mutually induced EMF in first coil due to current in second coil. That is number of turns in first coil, phi12, flux linkage in first coil due to current in second coil divided by I2. That is N1 K phi2. What is phi12? Phi2 is the flux linkage in second coil, and a portion K phi1 will be linking with the first coil. So we can write phi12 as K times phi2 by I2. Multiply this M equation, M into M. M into M equal to N2 phi21 by I1 by N1 K phi12 by I2. What is phi21 and phi12? phi 2 1 is k phi 1. So into k phi 1 by I1 into n1 k phi 2 by I2. So k multiply k square into n1 phi 1. Phi is not suffix. It is actually n1 into phi 1. n2 into phi 2 by I1 into I2. That is k square into n1 phi 1 by I1 is L1. n2 phi 2 by I2 is L2. K square into L1 L2. So m square equal to k square into L1 L2. So what is m? K root L1 L2. From this, what is coefficient of coupling k? M by root L1 L2. So where k is the coefficient of coupling, L1 is inductance, L2 is the inductance of first and second coil. So we got the expression for k as k equal to m divided by root L1 L2. Thank you.